Now let's talk about operators in Python. There are various operators in Python, right from arithmetic operators to bitwise operator, and we are going to cover each one of them in this section. Let's start with arithmetic operators. There are mainly 7 arithmetic operators that are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponential, and floor division. So let's start with addition. I will declare a variable x and assign a value of 10 to it. Then I will declare a variable y with the value 20. Now the addition operator. Okay, so the addition operator, let's create a variable result is equals to x plus y. This is the simple addition operator, and let's print the result. Okay, as you can see, it has printed 30, and that's correct. 10 plus 20 is 30. I can even make this more simplified. Instead of creating a variable result, I will simply just print this stuff. So print x plus y. That's it. No need to create any new variable. But for our sake of simplicity, I will just create a new variable result, and I will print result every time. Okay. So this was a basic addition. Now let's take the subtraction. Now let's create a variable result is equals to x minus y and print result. Okay, the result will be same, that is minus 10, means that the correct one. So minus 10 is correct. Okay, now let's take about multiplication. So result is equals to x multiplied by y. We will use asterisks over here to multiply and print result. And let's do it for division as well. Result is equals to x divided by y and print result. So as you can see, for multiplication it is 200, that's correct, and 0.5 for division, that's also correct. 10 divided by 20 is 0.5. So these are the basic operators, and we will say the addition, subtraction, here multiplication and division are the arithmetic operators specifically. Now let's talk about modulus. Okay, so you remember, right, when we divide x divided by y, that example, so we got 0.5, that's correct. Okay, so this is the quotient of the division, but if we want the remainder of a division, then we need to use modulus. Okay, so result is equals to x modulus y, sorry, x modulus y. Okay, so we will use percent sign for the modulus, and let's print the result. And as you can see, 10 is not divisible by 20, hence we will get the remainder as 10. Okay, so if I just reciprocal it, let's consider as 40, and I will assign here, let's take it as 6. So remainder should be 4, because 6 6 are 36 and the remainder will be 4, and hence 4 is not divisible by 6. So let's check, and as you can see the remainder is 4, that's correct. So by using modulus we will get the remainder of a division. So this was modulus operator. Then let's talk about exponential operator. So result is equals to, in exponential, as you have seen, some number like 2 raised to the power of 3, that's it, or 2 square, that's 4. So we are going to use the same stuff. If I choose 2 to the power 2, print result, so it is going to give me 4. As you can see, that's 4. Now 2 raised to the power 3, it is going to give me 8. Similarly for 4, it is going to give me 16, and for 5, it is going to give me 32. Okay, so it's simple like 2 to the power of x number. We can choose whatever number we want. Okay, and if I choose x, that is 10, okay, that's 40. So we got this result. So let's keep it 3, that's it. Yeah, now let's consider floor division, the last arithmetic operator. Now as you can see, 4 is not divisible by 6, the remainder. Okay, to get a integer value from a division, we will use floor division. So let's consider x divided by, here we will use 2 forward slash, okay, and y, then print result, and when I run it, I will get 6. That is 6 6 are 36, and that's it. We got the same result. We didn't get this 0.6667, that decimal digits. Okay, so we just got a whole number. That is the use of floor division. If I try to use 10 divided by 3, it is going to give me 3, okay, instead of 3.33, something like that. So we will get a whole number. These are the arithmetic operators in Python. In our next lecture, we are going to check out what are assignment operators. So see you in the next one.